Right, as you between the north and the east, yeah? Right, like that. You got this thing here like that. Hello, am I losing my shape? Oh shit. Oh, here you go, 1 sec. Sorry about that. It's like the wonky camera. Fucking sky, man. Oh shit. Hello, mate. Are you alright? Yeah, fucking sky, man. You've got over there going over as well. It's all ripple there, yeah. Over there. It's all fucking ripple, man. It's all moved over. Oh, there it is. Look, it's over there. And that's like a big long fucking tail. You see it? It's going right round. And it's all going, see around it's all going down as well, look. See that? And it's all going down to the horizon. And like that. And then, look, here's my fucking glasses, man. Oh, you bastard. Bastardo. Stupid fucking glasses. Oh, my days. Probably better for my, actually for my balcony, man. I'll pause it a second, Right. Fucking doors, can't do it, so I can't just show you that down there. Oh, I was on the phone to someone. He totally interrupted me because it was going sort of down and like that. And that would go. You see that here? And it goes down to there, like that, coming across down. It's even going like lined like that, look. No, this sort of part of what I see was changing a little bit, and it also going down there, see? There it is, there's the dragon. And a little fucking whiz over. Passing through. Some this lad gave me a cigar today. It's a cigar. Fucking funny on wheat thing, I don't know what it is, but he was I think it's a student bod. Because I was washing. He just came and sat down, he pissed out his head. I was like, what mate, I thought you played 1 2 3 mate. He started early. It's steady, though. It wasn't lunchtime. It was about after 11, well, about nearly 12 near lunchtime. I'd say the end of the day it's going to be a fucking good one too. What, mate? The sun's going down around over there, around in the west. Yeah, man, that'll put back to the northwest as we go to spring and summer. And cool now. I'll keep you in that line, okay? So my fucking gaps are right messing me up. It's about the job still today. Oh, I've got so much to do in the room. See that round there, and it's coming up round. We've got this behind, see? See it? The other part of it. Got rippleisation over here, look. Ripple, ripple, ripple. Ripple, ripple, ripple. Ripple. That was like a face in there. Weird. Got a gloom in there, put some lights on. The sun's gone round. See it, it's down over there. Where the ripples were going. You can see what you don't see it. So it's like that. Whoosh. Like that. Whoa. Well, I'll have to stop calling that because I can do a lot of posting some old stuff. 1 or 2 I would repost this, that's a fact as well. Just want to show you stuff, the 86, my early stuff, some people like go quite down for the videos. There's only about 40 anyway, because the computer went down a couple of years ago now and ain't very long. And well, on the YouTube channel very long. Whereas like my channel computer went down, and my YouTube returned on internet for about 2 years. Couldn't afford it at the time. Just couldn't afford it. That's incredible news, mate. It's just really, really, really incredible. on the train driver know this, so you guys will, when newcomers, asking the questions, and I'll give you some answers. And it ain't bullshit either. I know to be the truth, and that's what I know to be the truth. Look at the toes on this, man, look at that. It's amazing. Oh, look at that shadow over there. How is... There's a fucking great big dark shadow in the sky there. It's not from a massive king plane, is it? It's above and behind that line, or wherever it is, you know. But I'm looking at a dark shadow, you see what I mean? Look. Right there. Ain't blue sky. That little slip below is blue sky, but that one above ain't. Some plane coming over there. Looks like it might be military action. Don't many passenger planes are going along these days, are they, you know? You don't see much of that. Anything you see these days really is a Ken Snot crew. Look at the dark line going through there. That's weird, isn't it? Look at the dark wedge. Oh, this could be, and it ain't him over there. Here comes my plane stalker. He's coming over there, watch it. Come straight over. There he is, look. There he is. My little plane stalker, look. There is he, there he is, look. Hello, mate, hello. See what I mean? Let's come over. I can't see him any further. Yeah, he's moving too quick, and his angle is not going towards Gatwick or Heathrow. Look at this rising up, lifting, you see. Up the treetop there. Let's go to the front, see what the front camera being the same. Someone's watching to sort out. Cat's sleeping on it as well. Sky like a rippled fucking monster out there, isn't it, eh? Absolutely nuts. Right, I've got to do stuff. Take care of myself.